Good afternoon, everyone. My name's Hagen. Welcome back to Precast Chalk Talk here at Mid-States. Today, we're going to go into the office and meet a few people on our administrative team. Hi, Amanda.
Hello.
How are you?
Good.
So everyone, this is Amanda. Amanda's our accounting manager, captain extraordinaire of making all things happen back here in the finance department. For our audience, we're just talking about a little bit about yourself, how long you've been here and what your typical day is like.
Yeah. I've been here a little over 2 years. So, and one cool thing is, I guess every day is a little bit different still here. We're, building out processes, but
yeah.
So.
Yeah, that's good. So how did your day start today?
Today, I finished up payroll for the week,
Nice.
Reviewing and submitting it.
Great, thank you. Yeah, we need to get paid. Thank you, customers, for
thank you.
The opportunity to serve you and do good things. And something unique about Mid-States that maybe you want our customers to know about?
Yeah, I love it's a very warm and friendly culture, and very much that family is first. So that very big family feeling.
I think that translates into how we take care of our customers too. This is actually like you got a brain, heart, legs, all that kind of stuff. This is pretty much like the complete central nervous system of everything inside the business, which means it's like what happens here is all the information from design and engineering comes through this department out to the production floor. That information comes back into this team, and then from there goes out to the job sites, which means you've got project management, you've got production scheduling, pretty much everything that makes your jobs go as smoothly as possible. And the person that's in charge of all that, she's right here. And her name's Wendy. For our audience, Wendy, just a little bit about what your role is and your title and kind of how long you've been at Mid-States.
I've been here for 17 years, and I make the crew schedules with the help of the project managers, and we keep the big field schedule showing where all of the outlook of the year.
Yep. So field scheduling coordination. Mm-hmm. For our audience and our customers, just one really cool thing about Mid-States maybe that they don't know.
Teamwork. We all have each other's back, and it's rare to find.
Mike is our production scheduling. How long have you been here now?
6 years.
6 years doing the scheduling. So maybe you can help our customers understand, what it's like getting the drawings here and then kind of coordinating those, laying those out, and the amount of time it takes for us to maybe do a typical project in our production floor for the hollow core side.
The hollow core side, we have 6 beds in the range, or 2,000 square foot per bed, roughly. Take that, and like our Quincy job right now, it's probably taking 3 to 4 weeks to pour on the hollow core side.
It's a good sized project.
Yes.
Yeah.
And then the current will probably be about the same. Our typical size beam and column job will wrap up 5 to 6 days.
And is it, we're doing typically more than one job. How many jobs might we be casting at a time?
Depends on the lead time of the day, or the lead time of the job. Some days I'll just cram that whole job in for that day. But the hollow core side, when you're running 6, you can be talking 7 to 10 different jobs a day.
Yeah,
yep.
Right. A lot of capacity, a lot of range. This is Hannah, and everywhere she goes, the red light goes off. Senior HR specialist, senior HR business partner coming into the room. Intruder. Right, Hannah? So she's intruding in the finance and accounting department. And, I just couldn't help but want to get her back in. So how are you?
I'm great. Yeah, it's like the principal walking around when I come into a department. So everyone's on their best behavior.
Any thoughts on just something cool off the top of your head about Mid-States that...
Very cool about Mid-States. Well, we are pretty weird, so I do really like that. Love the diversity of our teams.
Yes.
Get to talk to people from all different, backgrounds every day, and I just really enjoy that.
Awesome. Until next time, be well. Cheers.